Hey guys, it's Katie with JLT Performance, and today we're going to install our cold air intake for the 2020 and up Ford Mustang GT500. You're going to disconnect these two lines and this sensor, and when you pull out the sensor, you'll also lift up these two clips. Disconnect this clip connecting to the coolant line. Remove this bolt securing the stock air box to the body. Loosen this hose clamp on the throttle body, and then you can remove the intake from the vehicle. You're going to remove this grommet and put it back in the vehicle, and you'll also remove this grommet and shoulder washer. Remove the Iet sensor from the stock intake. Install the grommet from the bottom of the intake, and the angled side is going to go up. Install the Jlt Air Box into the vehicle, and then you're going to secure it down using the bolt you removed earlier. Slide the inlet in through the front of the airbox, and you're going to line it up with the front grille inlet. Install this push pin through the back of the airbox and then secure the extension harness. Install the other push pin through the airbox, and then you're going to slide the clip on the coolant line up and connect it. Now you're going to install the Iet sensor into the intake tube. You don't need this O-ring, so we just slide it up so you don't lose it. Install the coupler and loosely install the clamps onto the intake tube, and then you can install it into the airbox and onto the throttle body. Now you can install the filter onto the intake tube. And tighten down the hose clamp. After the filter is installed, you can make any adjustments that you need and then tighten down the last hose clamp. Now you're going to reconnect all of your connectors that you disconnected earlier. With the Iet sensor, you can just tuck the excess. All right guys, so that is it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions, you just want to know more, you can always give us a call or check it out on our website, and I'll see you next time.